Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Cadillac CTS V. This has the 6.2 liter supercharged engine. You can see it's absolutely huge. This has the alloy wheels, the dual sunroofs that shine on not only the front seat but the back seat also. This have the enlarged wheel calipers. I love those. Dual exhaust. Massive trunk. Take you for a tour. The interior is black leather and suede. And there's a shot of a massive sunroof I was talking about. It also has wooden accents in the doors, dash, console. Here's a shot of the VIN. It does have a Bose sound system. There's a shot of the wood paneling there. All right, you see that it has 31,856 miles on it. Right here you've got your cruise control, your push to talk, your other stereo toggles there. Here's your navigation. And you also have your stereo, which AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. So if you want to drop that down during operation, just push that, and there you go. In order to see the backup camera, it is a stick shift. You can put it in reverse. There you go. Okay. And then you also have heated and cooled seats in the front, as you can see here. And there's your shifter, park brake, your additional stowage, cup holders, and additional power supplies. All right, coming up here, we'll go ahead and close up the sunroof so it doesn't get too hot in here. Of course, you also have your overhead map lights. So, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's some damage that goes here up front. And then also, just right there in the middle, and then in the middle here in the back. As you can see, we've gotten it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection, State of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.